Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get free stuff on Temu. So first in your phone, head over and run the Temu app. Now from your home page at the bottom corner of your screen, click on the U icon. Then from here, just click on the sign in or register button. So for you to be able to get free stuff on Temu, the easiest way is to create a new account. You can start creating an account by logging into your Apple account or through Google or Facebook or even with email. So from here on your profile page, head over and click on Win Reward. So as you can see here, there's two free offers here that you can avail. So start by choosing any of this by clicking on the Get Now button. Then proceed by clicking on Win My Gifts. So of course, we're going to agree. Now from here, you can start picking a free gift. So say for example, we would want to pick this one. Click on the pick button. Of course, choose a variant of your choice. Then proceed by clicking on pick this free gift now. Of course, model. Now there are also tasks that you should do for you to be able to gain this so-called energy. So just like in this example, you have to share this link to social media platforms for you to gain this energy that will be used or that you need to collect for you to be able to get your free gift. So just complete all the tasks and in no time you should get your free stuff on Temu. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching and I'll see you again on the next one. Bye!